Jai Hind, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome you all to our YouTube channel Courage Commanders. For the brief introduction about myself, I am Atul Pratap Singh and I have cleared CDS four times, AFCAT 5 times back to back and got recommended 2 times from the Army Board 24 SSB Bangalore and 14 SSB Allahabad. So guys, my journey of the preparation started 7 years back and this has been very beautiful journey. And here I will be sharing with you all tidbit experience of mine and will guide you with the success mantra that I have followed in throughout my preparation. So I can guarantee you that if you religiously follow my words, you can also ace the exam in your first attempt without having any difficulty. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you with the educators, that is me and Yakshita ma'am, and she has also been NCC cadet from 19th Battalion Goa Directorate, and she has cleared PFCAT 4 times and 3 times CDS, and she has also got recommended 3 times. So guys, you can see that the Yakshita ma'am is also having very much experience regarding this, and she will be doing your mentorship, and definitely you will get very good material from our side. So now let's come to the next part, that is our mission. So first is rigorous guidance and assurance of success, and I will say here that without guidance, this like everywhere it is needed guidance. You know it very well. For cracking any kind of exam, you need, if you don't have any proper guidance, you won't be able to clear it. So we are here available for you every time, all time, not only just before the exam, that exam has come so we have started marathon and all. It's not like that. We will be in touch throughout the journey. Okay. And the next is guaranteed improvement in weak areas. हर किसी का कुछ ना कुछ वीक एरिया होता ही है. लाइक कुछ लोगों का मैथमेटिक्स वीक होता है, कुछ लोगों का पॉलिटी होता है, कुछ का ज्योग्राफी होता है. It is with everyone. Okay, so you do not need to worry about it. We are here to provide you with the best material for every subject whatever we have in our CDS and AFCAT and other exams. So we will be providing with you best material. Okay, next is analyzing the trend and providing latest material. So guys, you can see that the UPSC trend is like changing day by day. You can see that every time exam comes with a different trend. It does not look similar like the previous one. So we are here to analyze the trend and will provide you the latest material, whatever is being asked there. Okay. And now the last one is to cater you with concise and effective ways in clearing the exam. That is very obvious that definitely we will be providing you with the best strategy, how you have to manage your time, how you have to do other things also, because SSB is also there. You can't only do written part and will not be focusing on the SSB part. So you have to focus holistically. You have to prepare holistically so that everything will be aligned at a certain time. Okay. So now let's come to the next part, that is what makes us different. So first is personal guidance and mentorship from our experience. So guys, what I have seen that most of the time it happens that we lack in personal guidance because one strategy does not work for all. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दवा हम लेके आए और वो हर एक डिसीज के लिए हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. So we are here to provide you with the best strategy according to your need. Okay, we will give you personal guidance. Along with this, we will give you along with the best guidance to CDS AFCAT aspirant, we will be providing mentorship to ACC entry. So all our Fauji bhai, be happy because we are here to provide you with the best material and help you to clear your ACC exam and to fulfill your dream of becoming an army officer. तो आप लोग भी यहाँ पर बिल्कुल आ सकते हैं और आप लोग देख सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छा मटेरियल आपको मिलेगा और आप जरूर आपका एग्जाम क्लियर होगा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज इन डेप्थ एनालिसिस ऑफ NCERT सिलेबस विद हैंडमेड नोट्स. सो ये भी एक चीज़ है जो एक डिफरेंट बनाती है, बिकॉज most of the time it happens that people will serve you with their material, okay, and that will be short. ओके, आई विल नॉट से कि हाँ मतलब उसमें सब कुछ ही इंक्लूडेड होता है, ऐसा नहीं है। एनसीईआरटी की बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने देखी हैं कि वो नहीं इंक्लूड हो पाती है, वो छूट जाती हैं, और एग्ज़ाम में वो चीज़ें पूछी भी जाती है, ऐसा नहीं है, वो पूछी जाती है और वो चीज़ हम मिस कर देते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज कि हमें मतलब किसी ने दे दिया और हमने उस पर भरोसा कर लिया। सो इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट, वी हैव टू go through with the like in the depth of NCERT. So the next one is regular update with defense knowledge regarding SSP. So as we know that it is not only about कि written exam आपने clear कर लिया और हो गया आपका, finally आपको SSP भी देनी है, तो we will also provide you defense knowledge and all related to SSP. उसका बिल्कुल अलग ही प्लेलिस्ट होगा, तो वो भी हम आपको बिल्कुल प्रोवाइड करवाएंगे, ठीक है। और नेक्स्ट इज़ सॉल्विंग एनी क्वेरी रिलेटेड टू एग्ज़ाम विद इन 24 आवर्स। तो हाँ बिल्कुल, ये मेरी इंश्योरिटी है आप लोगों से कि आई विल रिप्लाई यू विद इन 24 आवर्स। आई विल गिव वट एवर योर डाउट कम्स, यू कैन ask us without any hesitation, and we will definitely reply you within 24 hours. And this was all from my side, and thank you very very much that you watched my video. And in the next video I will be sharing all my strategies, मैंने किस तरीके से पढ़ाई करी थी, क्या रूटीन मैंने फॉलो किया था, कितने घंटे पढ़ा था, बुक लिस्ट क्या थी, सब कुछ I will be sharing with you. And for the further updates please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and thank you very very much.